What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today I'm really excited guys, and I hope you guys are excited as well. So today I'll show you guys the full benchmark of my budget X99 build that I only paid $679. So real quick, I'll just run through the spec. As you guys can see, the motherboard I'm using, ASROCK X99 Extreme 4 motherboard. It's a great motherboard. I only paid $109 for it from MICROCENTER. Also paired with GEIL Evo Potenza, 8 gigs of DDR4 RAMs, clock at 2133 MHz. And the cooler I'm using Cooler Master Hyper T4 cooler, and the CPU, as you guys know, I have E5-2650 V3 10 core 20 thread. It's the engineering sample. I paid $160. And the graphic card, as you guys can see, I'm using XFX Radeon RX 480 8 gig version, open box from MicroCenter, and the card is working flawlessly. The SSD I'm using for this build, Intel DCS 3500 SSD 240 gig. I paid $40 from eBay. Also the power supply I went with this build, CORSAIR 430 watt power supply. I only paid $24 for the power supply. The case I'm using for this build, NZXT S340 case. I paid $65 for this case from MicroCenter. As you guys can see, the full system spec guys. If you guys have any other question, you guys could leave in the comment below, and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up